A very warm good morning to all of you. Now, a happy welcome to in Standard 7. I am Chandana Basu, going to start our new session of SST of Standard 7 today. Now, I hope you are now very much interested in studies after getting a long vacation, you say, and you also now are interested in studying. So we are going to start our first chapter of SST. The first chapter name is Two Big State. Two Big State means we will read in this chapter about the two big state king. First was Harshvardhan and another was Pulkeshi II. First, we are going to read about the Kannauj. Kannauj is present in northern side of India. Harshvardhan, about Harshvardhan now. In Kannauj, Harshvardhan was ruling, so we are going to read about Harshvardhan. He was ruling in 606 to 647 CE. King Harshvardhan was born in 606 CE. After the death of his father Prabhakar Vardhan, Harshvardhan's elder brother Rajavardhan ascended the throne of Thaneshwar. However, Rajavardhan was killed by the king of Gaur, Shashank. Their sister Rajeshri was imprisoned by the king of Malwa, Devgupta. Under these circumstances, as advised by the leaders of the kingdom, Harshvardhan shouldered the responsibility of Thaneshwar, present Punjab and Haryana. So now in this stanza we came to know that Harshvardhan was born in 606 CE. CE means Common Era. After the death of his father Prabhakar Vardhan, means early time in Kannauj, or you can say in Thaneshwar, Prabhakar Vardhan named one king was ruling. Harshvardhan was his youngest son. So after Prabhakar Vardhan, Harshvardhan's eldest brother Rajavardhan became the king of Thaneshwar. But very long time he could not survive in the kingdom because he was killed by the god king Shashank. God is the kingdom name, and there one king was ruling, his name was Shashank. He tried to um, snatch Thaneshwar from his hand, so that's why we can say a war committed between them, and in that Rajyavardhan was defeated and killed by the god king Shashank. Not only this, at that same time, Harshvardhan's sister Rajeshri was imprisoned by the king of Malwa, Devgupta. Means his sister also kidnapped, yeah, you can say imprisoned by the king of Malwa. Who was the king of Malwa? Devgupta. In this circumstance, the Harshvardhan shouldered the responsibility of Thaneshwar and became the king of Thaneshwar like that. Now, the second stanza. Immediately after ascending the throne, he decided to free his imprisoned sister Rajeshri. In the meanwhile, she had escaped from the clutches of Devgupta and ran away into the Vindhya forest. He went in search for his sister, and with the help of the people living in the forest and a Buddhist hermit, Divakar Mitra, he stopped her from committing sati. Since Rajeshri's kingdom, Kannauj, now in present in Uttar Pradesh, was without any king at that time, Harshvardhan became its ruler. Later he defeated Devgupta, the king of Malwa. So here in this stanza we came to know that after became a king, Harshvardhan first he decided to set his sister free. So he started his journey and he moved towards that. But at that time, Rajeshri, though she was a brave uh, princess, yeah, you can say brave queen, he herself escaped from the clutches of Devgupta. Means Devgupta के हाथों से escape means भाग गए and ran away into the Vindhya forest. Vindhya forest is now you can get in MP side. So she moved at that time towards the Vindhya forest and hide herself in that forest. So nobody can catch her. He went, but at that time Harshvardhan also was searching. He was not getting her sister there, so he again started searching his sister, and he took the help of the forest people to get her back. And in that forest, Vindhya mountain, Vindhya forest, one hermit means sadhu, Buddhist hermit was there. His name was Divakar Mitra. He helped Harshvardhan to get his sister back. How? Because Divakar Mitra, he stopped Rajeshri from committing sati. What is telling here? After escaping herself from the clutches of the Devgupta, she moved toward the Vindhya forest side, but at that time she was not feeling good. He was afraid of Devgupta, and she again did not wanted to get in the clutches of Devgupta, so she tried to burn herself alive. That process is called sati. So in this way, at last Harshvardhan got his sister back, and at that time, till he was not getting Rajeshri, he was take care of his kingdom Kannauj. He became the king of Kannauj. In this way, Harshvardhan got his sister back, and afterward he defeated Devgupta. That is the story. Now see what is the next stanza. Next stanza, as part of his preparation to launch an attack on Shashank, the god king, he formed an alliance with the king of Kamrup, Bhaskar Varman. Now, after getting his sister Rajeshri back, his next target to defeat the god king Shashank. Why? Because he killed his brother. So he wanted to take revenge of that, and he took the help of Kamrup king Bhaskar Varman and make a big alliance. Alliance means a group of soldiers to defeat god king Shashank. With the help of a large army, he defeated the god king and won over a major part of his kingdom. And afterward, with the help of his big allies, Harshvardhan defeated god king and won over a major part of his kingdom. Major part means उसके kingdom में जो भी main important cities थे उस पे उसने कब्जा कर लिया. He also conquered Malwa and Saurashtra. Malwa and Saurashtra, you know, our Gujarat side. Malwa also means now from north side to south side. Harshvardhan started his journey to make his empire vast. So he defeated Malwa king, Saurashtra kings, and took over control over in his hand. But as he moved toward the south side, but was unsuccessful in defeating Pulkeshi II, king of Chalukya dynasty of South India. As he moved toward the south side, he was not getting success to won over those places, because at that time in south, Pulkeshi II name a brave king was ruling over there, and Harshvardhan was not able to defeat him. After 7 successive victorious years, Thaneshwar emerged as a large kingdom in North India. So at last we can say up to 7 years after becoming a king, Harshvardhan, up to 7 years he continuously got success and make his territory convert as a vast empire. But at last he was defeated by the king of South, Pulkeshi II, who was belonging to Chalukya dynasty. So here we read today in these 3 about Harshvardhan, how he started and how his empire was ended. So here we are going to finish today. You just read this chapter thoroughly 2-3 times, and as a story you can get everything. Point out the main name, character, and then their story, and you will get interest the reading of this chapter. Next session we will read about the Harshvardhan reign and administrative system, how he take care of his kingdom and kingdom people. So thank you. Bye. Take care of yourself.